My boyfriend's standing behind that curtain there. Hi everyone. I am in a place called South Cerney. Oh, that was bad lighting. Not too far from Swindon, at a lodge with my boyfriend who's hiding behind the curtain, as I just said before. And I thought I'll show you quickly, because I thought I'll quickly show you what the lodge looks like, because it's really pretty. And it is quite late at night, so I can't show the outside, but I'll show you that tomorrow. So when you enter the property, this is the kitchen. I know it's a bit dark, but I think there's people staying in the other lodges and I don't want to turn the lights on. Really pretty. It's got like a fridge. That's all of our foods and stuff, but it's really nice. There's a view outside onto the gravel path, and there's a view from here out onto the lake, but there's no point because it's dark. This is the living area, which is really cute. I like the green sofa. Really nice. Got a TV, loads of games in there and things. And this way is into the bathroom. Really nice. Love the ceilings in here. Really pretty. Comes with towels and stuff. And a septic tank toilet, which is cool. And me. And then in this room is the bedroom. And it's really, really nice. Like the bed sheets. Really pretty. Hello again. Got quite a few mirrors. Nice little bedside tables. I've taken this side. This is my side. Partner's over there. It's got a nice wardrobe. Already stocked up. Oh, put all my stuff in nicely. Could do some outfits while I'm wearing this. When we're here till Sunday, which is nice. Nice little decor. And it comes with literally like coffee pods and milk. Then they left us some milk and a box of chocolates, which is nice. And loads of different things. Also, I'm mega bloated. I had KFC for the first time in like 6 months. This is what happens to me. This is why I don't eat it often. But normal, bloat is normal for everybody. And yeah, I'm gonna go now because it's late and my boyfriend's still hiding behind the curtain. Good morning, everyone. It is 8:30. I've been up for an hour. Yeah, I'm by the lake. It's really nice. I've probably put some footage after this or before this of like the sunrise here. So many birds. I saw this morning a robin redbreast, 2 kingfishers, 2 swans, a load of Canadian geese, a load of terns, 2 herons. And yeah, the only one I didn't get a capture of, which is the one I'm dying to, is the 2 kingfishers. But yeah, it's really, really nice. So quiet. And cold. I'm in my like surf wear. So this is a shop in Norfolk called Wet Dog. And I bought a jumper from them because I wanted a surfer jumper. But equally, the lady, I was really self-conscious about like wetsuits because I could never find any that fit. I think I told her so before. But she was so nice, and it was her. She only ran the shop. It's a little shop that she did. That she sat with me and like helped me get into them and helped me find one that fit. So I thought, oh, I might as well rep her brand because there's something like she was so nice. Yeah, so if you're ever in Norfolk and you're looking for some surfwear, wetsuits, boards, cool like Roxy gear, like cool surfer gear, go to her. Really nice. And yeah, so I'm just chilling here. I may do some yoga. I feel like to do some yoga. I haven't done that in a while. My back's hurting. Also have some breakfast and some coffee. Not sure what we're going to do today. I don't know if we're just going to hang around here because it's quite nice. Or we're going to also take a venture to the farm shop, which is nice because I love a good old farm shop. I love the idea of eating my own like fresh produce, like from local area. Like it's got no pesticides, no nothing. It's an organic one. Oh, just saw a cormorant fly away. Maybe it came from where we live. Yeah, It's really nice. Also, if there was any birds that I think I would really like, terns. Bloody little, not nice things. Woke me up this morning. And also fighting. The little crapheads. There's so many of them and they were fighting the mallards. Also what I love is how swans are just like, unless they get threatened, unless, actually I've realised that the swans, when we live in the Canadian geese, absolutely hate each other. Like there's constant fights on the river. But actually it's constant fights at certain times of the year, so I guess it's when the swans are pregnant. And they're thinking their eggs, but now they're actually quite chilled with each other, like they're swimming past, no drama. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn the camera and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So pretty, right? Oh, there's one of those tight turns. You can see that little white dollop in the distance, that is a swan. And it's just really lovely, absolutely lovely. Obviously last night we couldn't see this. So nice. So whilst we were in one of the farm shops, we found these. So this place is an organic farm shop and they have a cooperative in Spain. So basically that they have like farmland in Spain and they ship in their exotic fruits from there, which are organically grown. And these are miniature kiwis. They're really soft. I'm going to show you the end. I'll bite half. I'll show you the inside. Look at that. They're super sweet. Really nice. These raspberries, and I got these from the cooperative. Actual shop. But really lovely. I also absolutely adore this room. So pretty. So pretty. Anyway, I wanted to show you my outfit. So my outfit of the day today, I've decided to go no makeup. But these trousers are from Hollister. The socks are from Free People, really nice. The jumper's also from Free People, really soft, like if I can show you, really nice. And my hair clip, I think I got from H&M ages ago, earrings as well. And yeah, that's my outfit of the day. Also excuse the noise, water. But yeah, lovely nice day today. My skin's actually not too bad. It's been quite clear. Very happy. So there's the window to the bathroom, and our lodge was called Ivy Lodge, and I'll show you when we get out. So this is the lodge, Ivy Lodge. We just parked our car here just to load, and this is what it was like, looking out, coming up the stairs. Sad we couldn't use this because it was literally like a hurricane. Out there, and then into the little place. And this was it.